In winter, our bodies have specific challenges that we can overcome by balancing them with the opposite elementals. And one of the tools that we can use to do this is essential oils. Essential oils also have the added benefit of being antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. They help to cleanse and clear your air, and they also help to modulate your moods, and many, many other things having to do with your immune system. So in winter, we have an excess of water element, and there's three families of essential oils that can really help to counteract excess water element. The first is citrus essential oils. Citrus is uplifting. It's like bringing in the sunshine, and don't we have a lack of that in the winter? The second is a category that I call the respiratory oils. I've done a couple of videos on these. These are any tree essential oil, but especially in winter, we're going to reach for juniper because juniper has an affinity for balancing water element. If you're looking for ideas of oils that are great to diffuse, this is a really great collection from Aroma True that has some of those respiratory oils, including juniper. Mountain Rose Herbs has this beautiful citrus blend that you can just simply use without having to think about what citrus are going into it, and it's going to help to uplift your mood and move energy in your space. The last family of essential oils that I would reach for really only in the winter, and you're going to use these sparingly because they can be a bit intense, is the spices. And spices can go in your diffuser just a little bit at a time. Here's a collection from Aroma True that you might want to take a look at. And you can see that these are going to be energizing. They help to bring in fire element to counteract water. As I said, any of those can go into your diffuser, and diffusing throughout the day, intermittently, not all day long, but throughout the day, a couple of times a day, can really help to support your immunity and your moods during this really challenging season of the year. Make sure you add yourself to my email list and follow for more.